Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color or Die. This thrilling game challenges you to escape a complex maze while being hunted by a persistent monster. Your main objective is to gather different paint colors, which are essential for opening corresponding colored doors throughout the map. Successfully collecting the final white paint bucket is your ultimate path to victory and escape. The core of Color or Die revolves around managing your paint. When you pick up a paint bucket, you acquire that color, allowing you to open doors of the same hue. Crucially, holding a paint bucket lets you hide from the monster by pressing against a matching colored wall. Be warned, if you lack paint or stand against the wrong color, the monster will easily spot and eliminate you. Progressing through the maze requires more than just paint. You'll find essential tools such as screwdrivers, hammers, and saws, which are key to solving environmental puzzles and unlocking new pathways. Keep an eye out for 13 paintbrushes hidden throughout the levels. Collecting all of them is necessary to open the ultimate exit and complete your escape from the monster's grasp. To maximize your chances of survival, always be aware of your surroundings. Your screen will distort when the monster is nearby, signaling immediate danger. Consider using in-game shop items like speed boosts or extra lives to enhance your gameplay. Remember, clever hiding, efficient navigation, and quick thinking are your best allies in outmaneuvering the monster and achieving a successful escape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.